Good morning everyone. Welcome back again to my channel, ODBC Family Vlog. Today, boss is very noisy. Yeah. What happened to you, boss? What are you doing? Where are you? Crawl and crawl. What happened? You want to swing with me? A big mouth, boss. You have a big mouth. What happened?
Boss.
Big boss, what are you doing? And there is the little girl, my neighbors, Chona Kotara Puentes. Wow, it's a little girl. That's the daughter of Juan Kotara Puentes. And hello, Bajin. What are you doing, Bajin? Tuyok na yung camera. What are you doing, Bajin? Boss will drink water. Wow. Hello, boss. You're thirsty, boss? Yeah, boss is very thirsty. So that's why you drank one kabo. What happened? Boss! Ibutan daw sa iyang kuan. Kananan. Ano luto? Oh my God, boss. Boss. Beg now, boss. You know, guys, yesterday, boss to take a bath. Today, not yet take a bath. Napam kay rice. And Bajin also loves dog. Where is Kabang? Kabang! Kabang! And there is Kabang. Hello, Kabang. How are you, Kabang? Where are you going? Oh my God, Kabang. Today is sunny day. Boss, Merry Christmas, boss. Boss, what are you doing? Boss, Merry Christmas, boss. Hello, boss. It's Christmas now. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Boss, what are you doing? Hello, boss. Hindi nga lagnaong ni boss. Oops, where you up? Stand up, boss. Okay, boss, stand up. Stand up, boss. Stand up. Stand up, boss. Very good, boss. Stand up. Oops. Boss. Stand up. Boss. Oops. Stand up. Stand up, boss. So. Stand up, boss. Bigyan mo. Boss ka. Ato si boss ba? Gaksa. Oh, you made way, boss. What happened? You made way. Oh my God. Okay. Go, Bazen. You hug boss. Oh. Gaksa ka ba? Gaksa ba? Pabaruga. Uy. Pabaruga ba?
Di ka man. Lako mo boss. Dako na.
Hindi man good. You hug Bazen, boss. Boss. Ato dito be. Lang. Ato ba dito? Kaya maglisod siya dito ba? Kato nga.
Nabahala siya. Pare na. Bubus nyo.
You hug boss.
Naman pa siyang balhibo.
Bubos and Bazen.
Dako, nagbalhibo bubus. Buka kayo. Sudlayo nga ni. Oh.
You comb the hair. Boss.
Dali. Wa. Oh, kamu sakay ko. Dali, baka mo sakay. Ako. Kabaya na ka.
You ride the back of the boss. Ride. Ride ba? Sakya siya ba?
Ha?
Sakya likod. Tong ba siyang likod?
Mga puras lang.
Di lagi.
Oh, pahed.
Huli tigong liog.
Hala, hindi ka ba?
Okay, Bazen we're getting bread for feed for boss. Hurry up, Bazen. Boss is waiting for your bread. Boss, you want to eat bread? Wow, what happened to you? You lie down. You're so tired, boss. Are you tired, boss? Boss, are you tired? What happened to you? You're lying down. Boss, bird is coming, bros. Boss. You want to eat? Wow. Oops. Oh, ayaw. Paakan ka ha? Wow, boss, we eat the bread. Allah. What happened to you, Bazen? Padool lang. Hindi ka ma... Ay, natagak. Ipakats ni boss. Boss, cuts the bread. No. Kabang. Ang kabang also, give kabang. You give kabang, Bazen. Hello, ay si kabang. Op. Ayaw, ginanaan. Malipong.
Yang gian. Asapan.
Oh my God, Bazen. Kuha nga pa ng usa ka pak. Boss, look at Bazen, boss. Where's the bread daw, boss?
Asa.
Okay. No more na, boss. Kabang. What happened to you, kabang? Okay. Hello, kabang. Boss. No more bread na, boss. No more bread. Did you eat the bread? Okay. Si Babos. Hello, boss. And Bajin, look at the hair of Bajin. It's very long now. You get a barber shop. Go to barber shop, Bajin. Because your hair is very long now. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment, likes, and subscribe. And Merry Christmas, guys. Bye-bye.